Okay, what we're going to do here is show you how to add data from Google Sheets into Salesforce. So you'll have to go onto your data that you've got on Google Sheets. I've got this here, so it matches up with all of the different headings as well. So we're going to add new leads onto Salesforce. In order to get this into the right format, we need to click on File, click Download, and then we want to select comma separated values.csv. Clicking on that will download that for you onto there. Now back onto Salesforce, we go to Setup, and then we want to search for the data import wizard. Click that on the left hand side. This will allow you to open up anything, any amount of data, as long as it's under 50,000, otherwise you need to use the data loader. So here, click Launch Wizard. Now you want to select the object that you want to actually download this into. So for us that's leads, and then add new records. And then here we've got it as a CSV file. So that's what we'll need to add it onto. So once that's there, we choose File, come up onto our downloads and click Open. And then in the bottom right corner, we just click Next. Now, what this will do now is all of the mapping will happen, so it comes up with the correct headings for you. It looks correct, so we'll click Next, and then that'll do it all for you. You just click Start Import, and then once you've gone in to your leads, they'll all be added in.